This is Kenkey, and this is also Kenkey. These foods are one of the popular and famous staple swallow food we have in Ghana, and they are from the Fantse and the Gan tribe. One of these is called Fantse Kenkey, or locally known as Fantse Dokunu, because the name of the tribe have been named after this food, which is the Fantses. That's why it's called the Fantse Dokunu or Fantse Kenkey. And the other one is also called Kenkey. Some also call it Accra Kenkey, and locally known as Dokunu or Komi. And one interesting thing is that these two tribes are both on the coastal line. Was it because of the sea? That's why these two tribes had the idea to prepare this amazing food. Let me know in the comment section. So they use the same ingredients and the same process to prepare this amazing food, but the only two things that differentiate or that makes each food stand out to be unique. So Kenkey is made from corn, and the corn is soaked inside water for 3 to 1 week before they later mill and kneaded with water to turn into a dough. The dough is allowed to ferment from 1 to 5 days before the whole process starts. So Kenkey or Komi, they use the corn husks to wrap it after the process is being done, and they also add salt to it. Whilst the Fantse Kenkey, they don't use the corn husks, but they use banana leaves or plantain leaves and other leaves to prepare the Fantse Kenkey. And also they don't add salt to the Fantse Kenkey. So the difference is the leaves and the salt. And also when you go to the Fantse land, we have varieties of Fantse Kenkey. We have about 5 or 6 different types of Fantse Kenkey. We have one like Yamunase Dokunu or Yamunase Kenkey, which is very popular. And we also have one called Infinifa. And when the Kenkey is ready, it can be served with hot pepper with fried fish or smoked fish, soup, stew, or you can even make ice Kenkey with the Kenkey itself, or kodo. So Kenkey in Ghana is one of the ancient food that we have, and because of slavery, our forefathers also took the process with them to the Caribbean land. So if you go to the Caribbean land as we speak today, they also call it Kenkey or Dokunu over there. Example is Trinidad, Jamaica, and etc. I'm in St. Thomas in Jamaica, and over here we're about to prepare blue jar, locally known as Dokunu. Like Dokunu in Ghana, Kenkey. And over there is the banana leaves. That's what we'll be using to wrap the Kenkey. Okay. Wow. So to my non-Ghanaians, anytime you visit Ghana, try these two versions of Kenkey, the Kenkey and the Fantse Kenkey. And also to my Ghanaians, which of these two Kenkeys do you love the most and why? And also, do you know how to prepare each or any of these? Let me know in the comment section. Follow us for more cooking with Sindaco for Shazamanezu or Kodo. Follow us on YouTube as well. Yeah, so I'm here in Central Region. Giving you the types of Kenkey that we have in Central Region. Okay, then it's the Kenkey. I'm a for the Dokunu, okay. Amosma, okay. Dokunu, okay. Abra, okay. Putun, okay. It's okay. Akwankwa. Akwankwa, okay. Okay.